and I'm like, I need to buy this cute little thing. That girl must have a brown lip liner. Every girl on Instagram is like Tumblr, 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 Tumblr. मैंने बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर को देखा है इसे यूज करते। मैंने मैडम आपका रिटर्न करने का डेट आउट हो चुका है। Cute little mirror sitting in the corner just waiting for me to buy it. So nice, and it is matching with my nail paint and my bracelet and my top. So, and by this time you should know that I'm obsessed with pink color. So I was like, yeah, so it deserves my pucci. ये मैंने अपने Pinterest board में बहुत बार देखा है। I don't need to explain why I love this quote. So a big shout out goes to my birthday hills. This birthday I am going to be whole pastel pari. Explains my whole personality. And Papa was like, तू already इतनी लंबी, you are not going to wear heels. Heels जब से आया है मैं इसे 50 बार पहन के रैम्प वॉक कर चुकी. I've never done my pre-birthday celebration and all. Just a sneak peek to my birthday dress. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhumika and today's video is all about all the Gen Z things I got for myself on my birthday. And of course I'm not going to be in my hometown in this birthday, so I was like, let's gift myself little cutesy Gen Z things which I'll use in long term. So yeah. And if you're new to this channel, I think I don't need to tell you that you need to subscribe to my channel. Also you can follow me on my Instagram. Now let's start this video. So I got myself quite a few Gen Z things, as I already told you in my intro. And if you are expecting me that I have purchased some mature things, you are on the wrong video, because I have spent my money on Gen Z things, not on mature things. I know my age is about thinking mature things, but when I see cute little girly things, I can't stop myself. And I'm like, I need to buy this cute little thing. छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? So lately my mindset is like that for shopping. Anyways, let's hop into the haul. Firstly, let's start with makeup and skincare. So makeup में मैंने बहुत खतरा एक lip combo मैंने लिया है, बहुत ज़्यादा सही है. And it is in this cute big packaging. They have provided this nice packaging. So मैंने इसे ऐसे ही store कर रखा है. मैं ऐसे ही इसे रखने वाली हूँ because it feels so expensive and it feels so it feels so nice to just open this. इसमें से बस अपने 2 cute little lip combo निकालो and you just apply. So firstly I got this Swiss Beauty का liner and I was eyeing on this particular lip liner since so long, and it is in the shade Cherry Brown 06 in case you want to know. Till 16-17 I have never used lip liners because I never felt the need to use it, but lip liners are trending so much nowadays, so I was like, that girl must have a brown lip liner, so I got this. The product which I love most these days for my lips is this Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lipstick, and I am obsessed with this shade. Like, look into this shade. Every Indian skin tone needs this, okay? It is, I think, in Choco shade 01, so you can check this out. This is my favorite lip combo and मैं अपने birthday में भी ये use करने वाली हूँ, so yeah. So next thing I got is a lip balm from Swiss Beauty, and I swear on this particular lip balm, it is so yummy that I can eat it. And इसकी smell ना ऐसी bubble gum वाली flavor है and मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. It is with olive oil, so I think it will provide that moisture to your lips throughout the day. So I was just eyeing on this since so long because मैंने बहुत सारे influencer को देखा है इसे use करते. मैंने it is so affordable. Like whenever my mood is little off, I just go back to this lip balm and the other second I feel very nice. I just love this. I have some personal attachment issues with this lip balm. Next thing is a roll-on, which I again got influenced by few influencers. It is from Chemist and it is also quite affordable. And मैंने ना इसके पहले विशकेयर का भी ट्राई किया हुआ है. पहला वाला विशकेयर का जब मैंने अमेजोन से मंगाया था वो बहुत अच्छा था एंड वो शायद काम भी कर रहा था. सेकेंड टाइम जब मैंने वही वाला प्रोडक्ट मंगाया विशकेयर वाला, वो स्मेल ही अलग था. जो मैंने पहले वाले प्रोडक्ट यूज़ किए थे उससे बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट था स्मेल, एंड आई थिंक वो सब बहुत ज़्यादा वाटरी था और कुछ काम ही नहीं कर रहा था. मुझे ऐसा लगा जब मुझे प्रोडक्ट रिसीव हुआ, मैंने उसे खोल के देखा नहीं कि वो कैसा स्मेल करे. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट है अमेजोन पे फॉर सम रीज़न, आई डोंट नो. फिर 5 बिजनेस डेज के बाद जब मैंने उसे चेक किया, इट वॉज नॉट एज सेम एज द ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट. देन आई कंप्लेंड एंड ऑल. दे टोल्ड कि मैडम आपका रिटर्न करने का डेट आउट हो चुका है, सो यू कांट डू इट. सो आई वॉज लाइक, लेट्स ऑर्डर इट फ्रॉम केमिस्ट प्ले दिस टाइम बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड so much good reviews about this product. So yeah, I'm trying it and इसकी smell भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. Like keeps you fresh throughout the day. Let's move on to some miscellaneous items. I got a cute Barbie edition mirror from Miniso. I went to Miniso to buy some travel essentials and I found this cute little mirror sitting in the corner just waiting for me to buy it. So I bought it. It is in heart shape. Secondly, it is in pink color. Thirdly, it is a Barbie edition. What a girl needs in mirror. Fourth thing is, it is very handy. So I just love this. I got this cute round brush from Miniso and I think I'm going to style my hair from this. I already have a pink bomb magic wala comb from Miniso, but I was like, I just need a round brush and This is such a good color combo, like grey and pink. It is so nice, and it is matching with my nail paint and my bracelet and my top. So such a nice coincidence. Next thing is a mini fan, and you know what, मुझे अब पता चला कि ये मिनी फैन कितने काम का है. Like while I'm shooting, I just need a break. I'll just put it on my face. I got this again in pink color, and by this time you should know that I'm obsessed with pink color. And obsessed मेरे लिए ऐसे छोटी मोटी वर्ड नहीं. If I'm telling you obsessed, that I'm die hard fan of pink color. I told my mom to keep this with her because she needed for मंदिर room. But the update is मम्मा मुझे मुंबई छोड़ने जाने वाले हॉस्टल में. So mama is like, yeah, I'll take another color. You just keep your favorite color with you. So I was like, yeah. Next thing is my personal favorite, and इसने मेरा water intake और ज़्यादा बढ़ा दिया. I already had a 2 liter water bottle which is in pink color, but I got a tumbler, and ये भी ना मुझे pink में चाहिए था. But I have seen 9 out of 10 person choosing a white or a cream tumbler over a pink one. Then I was like, you know, yeah, I also love beige, white, pink and butter yellow colors and baby blue colors. So these are my current favorite colors these days. Also this color suits me. So yeah. जब भी मैं इंस्टाग्राम की रील स्क्रॉल करती थी, एवरी गर्ल ऑन इंस्टाग्राम इज लाइक टम्बलर 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 टम्बलर. I was like, what's the hype? I also need to get this. So I got it. And also मैं hostel भी जाने वाली हूँ, so I will have 2 big fat bottles so that I don't need to step out the whole day if I just store 2 bottles throughout the day. A smart girl purchase. I did a little Gen Z shopping, but also smart girl shopping. So it deserves my pucci. Next is this cute little tulip color tote bag. I love tulips. I love pink roses. So yeah, I got this while I was traveling to Mumbai. ये मैंने अपने Pinterest board में बहुत बार देखा है ऐसे cute tote bag, and ये मुझे बहुत दिनों से चाहिए था, but finally I got it because I never had the need to get this. But when I was traveling to Mumbai, I was like, you know, I need to get that tote bag. So yeah. I got this. I got 2 cute t-shirts. One is crop one and one is oversized. I don't need to explain why I love this coat. Literally just a girl and I love this t-shirt. And I have never worn white t-shirts. And I have no white t-shirts in my wardrobe. So I was like, the favorite coat and my favorite color in same top. I just had the urge to buy this. Second top is this one, which also says I'm literally just a girl. I don't need to tell you that why I am obsessed with this cute little sentence, because I think it explains my whole personality. So yeah, got that olive green wala trouser, which is such a Gen Z pattern, and I love that pant so much because I want to wear it every next day. अभी वो बारिश की वजह से वो सूखा नहीं है, so I can't show you right now. If you are my OG subscriber, you have already seen in my shorts, and if you haven't seen already, just go and watch that shorts. Okay, now let me show you the main things I got for my birthday. First is this white color ka bag, which has this cute little belt wala detailing. It is very spacious, and ऐसे छोटू सी अंदर चेन भी दे रखी है so that you can keep your cash or coins whatever you want. And मेरे पास ऐसा white bag भी नहीं था. This birthday I am going to be whole pastel pari, so yeah, I got this white bag. So a big shout out goes to my birthday heels, because there is a story why I don't own much heels. This is my birthday heels. This is my birthday heels. Finally I'm going to wear white heels. Yeah. The back story is I am, I think 5'4" or 5'3", I don't know exactly right now. जब मेरे मामा की शादी थी, मैं कोलकाता गई थी, एंड तब मुझे हील्स लेने थे फॉर यू नो आई वॉज वेयरिंग लहंगा एंड वेरी ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस, सो आई वॉन्टेड ब्लैक हील्स. सो हम वहाँ शॉप पे गए एंड आई ट्राइड क्वाइट अ फ्यू हील्स, लाइक इससे भी छोटी हील्स मैंने ट्राई की. ओके, एंड पापा वाज लाइक, तू ऑलरेडी इतनी लंबी, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेयर हील्स, तो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी लगेगी. एंड दे फाइनली एंड अप गेटिंग मी दैट ब्लैक जूतीज, विच आई वॉज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड दैट टाइम कि मतलब लाइक मेरी हाइट है, दैट्स व्हाई आई कांट वेयर हील्स. आई वॉज नॉट दैट डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज आई लव बेली शूज ऑल्सो. आई वॉज लाइक, यू नो, ये बर्थडे में मैं हील्स पहन रही हूँ, एंड आई किड यू नॉट, ये हील्स जब से आया है मैं इसे 50 बार पहन के रैम्प वॉक कर चुकी हूँ, अपने रूम में फैशन शो कर चुकी हूँ. हील्स पहन के जो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है ना, वो अलग ही है. एंड जो वो आवाज़ होती है ना हील्स पहनने के बाद, जो आवाज़ होती है ना, आई लव इट. सो आई कांट रिवील यू माई बर्थडे ड्रेस. ऑल्सो मैं अपना प्री बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करके जाने वाली हूँ यहाँ पे, क्योंकि मम्मा ने मुझे बहुत अच्छा आइडिया दिया. आई हैव नेवर यू नो डन माई प्री बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन एंड ऑल, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम डूइंग माई प्री बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन. एंड मेरा बर्थडे 10th को है, बट 1 जुलाई को हम पार्टी करेंगे. जस्ट अ स्नीक पीक टू माई बर्थडे ड्रेस कलर. सो या, ऑल्सो आई वेंट टू कोलाबा एंड मैं कोलाबा से ये वाले बैंगल सेट लेके आई हूँ. आई ऑलरेडी शोड यू इन माई बॉम्बे हॉल. एंड मैंने ना वो जैसे डैंगलिंग वाली ब्रेसलेट भी ली है जो मैं बर्थडे में पहनूंगी. सो यू विल सी देयर. The last thing which I got on my birthday is this cute little pretty bow वाला stick on nails. मैंने पिछले बर्थडे में भी ऐसे nails मंगाए थे and I just loved it. Gives you such a main character queen vibes. That's it for the things I got for myself on my birthday. And I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा कर लिया and मैंने शायद एक आध चीज़ मैं भूल भी गई होंगी खरीद के और मैं दिखाना भी भूल गई होंगी बिकॉज अभी बहुत ज़्यादा पैकिंग एंड ऑल मेरे रूम का हालत भी नहीं दिखा सकती, बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो रखा है. सो या. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it, subscribe to my channel. Also you can follow me on my Instagram and let me know in the comments आपको कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Bye bye. Meet you super soon in my next one.